Hi! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create interior of a home using AI. I'll walk you through a step-by-step plan, which tools to use, where to start, and how you can adopt it. The first step is generating images. You can find ready-made images online, but it's much better to generate your own. You can use any image generator for this. I'll use ChatGPT as an example. First, write a prompt to generate a realistic empty room in a 9:6 format. Wait for the image to generate, then download it to your computer. I'll introduce you only 2 free AI tools, explain how to use them, and you'll be able to start creating the same type of content. The first tool we need is Home Design AI. This is where we generate interiors for apartments, rooms, and houses. It's completely free and can be used without limits. Now, let me show you everything step by step. For the first image, choose a bedroom. Next, select an interior style. There are many styles available, so choose one you like. You don't need to write a prompt unless you want something specific, like the placement of furniture. Click Generate, and after a few seconds, you'll get a beautifully designed interior, perfect to show to your client. Now upload the next room with the corner view. This time, select a living room and choose the Scandinavian style. It looks modern, cozy, and works very well. Don't forget to download the result immediately. Next, upload the kitchen. Choose a modern style and add a short prompt. Create a few more images as well. The final step is creating the room transformation animation. This can be done in just a few clicks. I'll use a video AI website that has a start-to-end video feature. Select that option, then scroll down. You'll see 2 image slots. Upload the empty room as the first image and the finished interior as the second image. Then write a simple prompt like room transformation. If you want, you can also add camera movement, such as a slight zoom or rotation. Set the model to Pro, video duration to around 8 seconds, resolution to 720p, and movement amplitude to Auto. You can also add background music so the video is ready to upload without editing. Wait for the video to generate. The result usually looks clean and professional, and the video is ready to publish. Repeat this process for each room. Each room should be 1 video. If you want longer videos, you can combine multiple transformations into one 30-second video or even upload horizontal versions. There are no real limits in this. Happy designing!